You're welcome to Extra Stars Academy. My name is Esther, and today we'll be looking at the organs of speech. The organs of speech. The organs of speech are the different parts of the human body involved in the production of speech sounds. They help in one way or the other in producing speech sounds. They are the lips, the teeth, the tongue, the nostril, the uvula, the velum, the alveolar ridge, the pharynx, the epiglottis, the glottis, the larynx, the hard palate, the vocal cords, and when you make use of the nose, it's called the nasal cavity, and then we have inside the mouth the oral cavity. Now let's get started. The lips. The lips are the two soft edges outside the mouth. They are divided into two. We have the upper lip and the lower lip. The upper lip and the lower lip. The lips could assume a number of shapes in producing speech sounds. They could be rounded, neutral, or spread. Consonants produced using the lips are called bilabial sounds. When you make use of your two lips in producing consonants, the sounds are called bilabial sounds. And we have p, and b. Beautiful. Now the consonants produced using the lower lip and the upper front teeth are called labial dental sounds. When you make use of the lower lip and the upper front teeth, the sounds produced are called labial dental sounds. And we have, can you say it? And beautiful. Next we have the teeth. The teeth. The human teeth are the hard white objects located inside the mouth immediately after the lips. They are divided into two. We have the upper set and the lower set. So we have the upper set of teeth and the lower set of teeth. Sounds produced using the teeth with the tongue in between the upper and lower teeth are called dental sounds. Sounds produced with the tongue in between the upper and lower teeth are called dental sounds. And we have, your tongue is in between your teeth. And the. Also, consonants produced with the upper teeth making contact with the lower lip. The consonants are called labial dental sounds. So you make use of your upper teeth and the lower lip. We have and. Next, we have the tongue. The tongue. The tongue is the soft part in the mouth that moves around. It is the most flexible as it can move from one position to the other. The tongue is very important in speech production because without the tongue, you can hardly speak. If I hold my tongue, you can hardly speak without the tongue. So it is very important in speech production, and it is the most flexible as it can move from one position to the other. Now the tongue is divided into four parts. We have the tip of the tongue, and we have the blade of the tongue. The blade are the edges. We have the blade. The blades are the edges. The edges of the tongue we call the blade. Then we have the front of the tongue. The front of the tongue and the back of the tongue. Inside the mouth, we have the back of the tongue. So the tongue is very important. So when you are making speech sounds, you either make use of the tip of the tongue, the blade, the front, or the back. We have the alveolar ridge. The alveolar ridge. The alveolar ridge is also called the teeth ridge. It is a rim of flesh at the base of the inner part of the upper front teeth. So the part where your teeth touches your gum is called the alveolar ridge or the teeth ridge. Can you touch yours? Yes, the part where your teeth touches your gum. It is called the teeth ridge or the alveolar ridge. Now the sounds produced with the tip of the blade of the tongue pointing towards the alveolar ridge. The sounds are called alveolar sounds. Alveolar sounds. And we have t, t. Can you say it? T, t. The sound for letter T. T. Beautiful. And we have t, t. The sound for letter T. T, t. If you notice your tongue, the tip of your tongue is pointing towards your alveolar ridge or your teeth ridge. T. We also have the sound for letter S. And the sound for Z. What about That's the sound for letter N. Did you practice it? Did yours touch it? If you did not, or if you didn't touch it, make sure you continue practicing it and make sure the tip of your tongue is pointing or touching slightly the alveolar ridge. We have the hard palate. Can you say it? The hard palate. The hard palate is the first half of the roof of the mouth immediately after the alveolar ridge. The first half of the roof of the mouth immediately after the alveolar ridge is called the hard palate. In your mouth, you can use your tongue to touch it. You know where your teeth ridge is? The part after the teeth. When the gum touches the teeth, it's called the hard palate. The roof of the mouth, the part after the alveolar ridge is called the hard palate. Now the sound produced with the front of the tongue making contact with the hard palate. When the front of the tongue touches the hard palate, the sound produced is called palatal sound. Palatal sound. And we have the sound for letter Y. U. U. So U is a palatal sound because the front of the tongue is pressing the hard palate. Then, when the tongue makes contact with the part in between the hard palate and the alveolar ridge, this point, in between the hard palate and the alveolar ridge, when the tongue presses towards it, the sound is called palatal alveolar sound. Palatal alveolar sound. And we have 4 sounds that are palatal alveolar. We have sh, the sound for SH. And we have ch, 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 the sound for CH.